All right, guys. So what we have here, we're going to do the first flight. So I want to give you guys a little piece of Louisiana. So I chose the spot right off the highway. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fly here, and I'm gonna get a shot of this, and then I'll probably walk across there and get a shot on the other side. So let's go ahead and get it in the air. Everything is gonna be on auto. I'm not gonna change any settings right out the box. First flight, let's get it. All right, so it's telling me my SD card speed is low. And acquiring the satellites, we're at 14 satellites.
Please check it on the map.
All right, so let's go ahead and get it in the air. All right, so we got the first flight out the way. So I came across the road. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna film it across here, right here. You can see the truck back there. So we on the other side. You guys can be able to see. Gonna get this shot. It's not that windy, but it did have like a breeze, and maybe I'm a little skittish. The drone was like rocking when I was descending. That's when you have the most turbulence, but it held its own. So let's go ahead and get some nice shots of some Louisiana swamps.